Welcome to Showcase Ireland 2023. In this short video, we'll show you how to activate your exhibitor profile, add team members and add products. This year, we are opening the platform to buyers at the start of December, so they'll be browsing what's on offer, and it's a good idea to activate your profile now, get your latest product range live, and make sure you're all set to do business at the start of December. You will receive an email like this with your username and password. All you need to do is click the link, come on over to the website, log in using the username and password provided, and congrats, you've now activated your profile. Looking at your exhibitor profile, networking and profile info are on the left. We'll come back to networking later, but for now you want to fill in your profile as much as you possibly can. Begin by uploading your logo. This needs to be 170 by 170 pixels. Then you can fill out your company details. See how you can add text. You can add bullets, you can make key points stand out. Use the styling tools, headers, normal text. Play around with it. Make sure that you are formatted to stand out and be found by your potential buyer. Have you got a social media presence you're proud of? Well, take the time to insert your social links on the right hand side. You can add Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook, and then scroll down and hit save at the bottom. The most important thing you can do right now is select your category. The more accurate you are with your category, the better results you will get when using the matchmaking feature. More on that in the next video on networking. For now, just click the category button and select the relevant ones for you. Adding team members to your profile is a great way of sharing the load when it all gets busy in the new year. Here's how you can add team members to your exhibitor profile. Access team members in the profile info area. Simply click on Add Team Member. Enter the email address of your team member and it will be validated, i.e. they'll get an email that they'll have to click on, and then just fill in their name, their phone number, and the kind of role you want to give them, as well as their job title. If you want them to have all of the same rights and privileges as you, click on Admin. If you want them to have a more limited set of privileges and rights, click on Member. In this case, we're making Mrs. Cause an admin. Fill in the job title, and you can add a picture, make it more personal, so your buyers are interacting with a real person with the photo. Hit save, and don't forget to add team member. Click on Edit Profile, Products, and then Add Products to this section. This is really important. So you can add images and video. You can add up to 15 images. It's a good idea to show images of products close up, from a distance. You might want to show images of your product against well-known items that will give people an idea about size. Save your images and then move on to filling in your product name, and importantly, choose your product category. Click on the Add Category button, select the features that make up your product, hit save, and then move on to filling in some product description. Now you can use the product description to truly sell your product. You can put in dimensions, you can put in customer reviews, you can put any information here you like that will help you sell the product. Styling options are the same as before, so you can format the text, use bold, italic, add bullets. And underneath this box is an option where you can upload any product video that you have. You can upload the video directly or click on the embedded code, and that's where you will paste in a YouTube or Vimeo link which will upload to the product. Hit save. Looking good. Now scroll back up and take a look at what you've done so far. And that's it. Just to recap on what you've learned. Firstly, you've activated your profile. We've looked at how you can complete your profile, especially selecting category. You've added team members to share the load at this busy time. And you've added all of your products to show off your business in the best light possible. That's all you need to do for now. You're all set. Thanks for watching this video. Keep an eye out for another one soon, which shows you how to make the most of the networking tools available, and looking forward to seeing you at Showcase 2023.